this new season of the Abbey Theatre, we're proud to present great Irish talent in 4 world premieres and major new productions of European classics. We opened the season with the great Irish actress Fiona Shaw in a stunning performance of Samuel Beckett's Happy Days, directed by Deborah Warner. I saw this production at the National Theatre of Great Britain in London last year, and I made a promise to myself to be able to present it to Irish audiences. And we can do so as a part of our contribution to the 2008 Ulster Bank Dublin Theatre Festival. The other show is Delirium, an outrageous adaptation of The Brother Karamazov by Dostoevsky. This adaptation is written by Enda Walsh and Theatre O, and is a co-commission between ourselves and the Barbican Theatre in London. Jimmy Fay is a brilliant young Irish director who I admire, and I'm delighted to announce that I'll be directing a major new production of Bertolt Brecht's satire, The Irresistible Rise of Arturo Ui. We're also bringing back one of our most successful productions of last year, and that's Beezy Adigan and Roddy Doyle's take on the play by the Western World. This will also be directed by Jimmy Fay. In the forthcoming season, we are continuing our relationship with Sam Shepard in presenting his world premiere, Ages of the Moon. This is the second new play he has given the Abbey in over 3 years. It will be directed by Jimmy Fay and has been specially written for Stephen Ray and Sean McGinley. Ages of the Moon is only one of 4 world premieres that we're presenting this season. We're also proud to present 3 new works by significant Irish writers, Marina Carr, Tom McIntyre and Billy Roach. New productions of Shakespeare's The Comedy of Errors, directed by Abbey regular Jason Byrne, and Marivaux's La Dispute, directed by Wayne Jordan, completes the season, which I think will both challenge and reward in equal measure.